Lemons, they're a staple in so many kitchens because they have so many uses. And not only do they add a bright flavor to foods and drinks, they also have a number of health benefits. So in today's Healthy Eats, let's slice into this popular citrus fruit and discover why we should be incorporating lemons into our healthy life. Giving us the squeeze on why we should use lemons to make more than just lemonade is Kendra Peterson from The Drizzle Kitchen. Kendra, I absolutely love to use lemons when I'm cooking and baking because they have great flavor, but you know what? They also have amazing nutritional value too.
Lemons are this little secret source of delicious taste, but also vitamin C and antioxidants. So there are a myriad of ways that you can use them in the kitchen. And each way is gonna add like a boost of bright flavor and also a little extra vitamin C. It's like this little magical ball of yellow deliciousness that you can use in so many ways.
And typically we think of using lemon juice when we're cooking or in the kitchen, but we should not forget about the lemon peel because that's got some great health benefits too.
There's antioxidants that are just underneath the skin. And so I really love to use a citrus zester, microplane, you might have heard of it called that, to get that zest off. It's delicious in anything from if you're making like a rub for a chicken or a roast, or if you want to add it to a salad dressing. So anytime that you're only using the juice and you're just getting rid of the outside of those lemons, you're throwing away free flavor.
And getting that free flavor into play, do you think that using the peel or the entire lemon can actually help us resist the urge to add sugar or salt?
Yeah, absolutely. So acid tends to mimic the flavor of salt on your tongue. So if you've made something and you taste it and you're like, I don't know, it just still needs something else, try adding a little bit of lemon juice first. And you might actually not need to add any more salt to it because that lemon juice will mimic the flavor on your tongue.
Today you're gonna show us how to use them in a recipe. What are we making?
Lemon and herb roasted chicken. I have a chicken here that is actually spatchcocked, which is a crazy word. All it means is the backbone is removed. It reduces your cooking time in the oven, our lemons. So I'm just gonna slice a few of these up. These are gonna lay in the bottom of the tray. So these are gonna infuse underneath the chicken in all that beautiful lemon flavor. Then I'm gonna lay some of my herbs right on top of that lemon. I'm using sage, rosemary, and thyme. And then I'm actually going to salt and oil this first. I'm gonna olive oil and salt our chicken to get the skin nice and crispy. And with your non-chicken hand, this is the chicken, this is the non-chicken, you're gonna use you're gonna put the salt on top. And then all I'm gonna do is just lay it right on top. This is gonna go in the oven about 400. And again, you're gonna look at it about 45 minutes in. You might want to turn it around in your oven and then let it cook for another 20 to 30 minutes.
And as we wrap up this lesson in lemons, what's the one thing you want everybody to remember about lemons and healthy cooking?
Always keep lemons in your house. Because of the antioxidants, it's really great for your immune system. And who doesn't want to boost their immune system year-round with just a little squeeze of lemon in their water?
Kendra, thank you so much. All right, now it's your turn. How do you use lemons in your healthy cooking? Let us know on Facebook. Just search for Living Healthy Chicago. Hey, did you like that? And now you want more info about living a healthy life? Well, it's easy. Just check out these videos right here.